Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes someone who is casually unconcerned or indifferent, nonchalant. It might seem a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is nonchalant. Let's break it down. First, we have non, which sounds just like the word non in none. Next is sh, which sounds like sh in shut. Then comes lant, which rhymes with font and is stressed. Now, let's put it all together. Nonchalant. Try repeating after me. Nonchalant. Now a little faster. Nonchalant. And at full speed, nonchalant. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Nonchalant describes someone who appears calm, cool, and unconcerned, especially when they might be expected to show more emotion or worry. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce nonchalant and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.